Hi, my name is Maite Alberdi. I am the director of The Mole Agent. I am very happy that you can see the film today, and it's a pleasure to me to introduce you the film, and it's a pity to don't be there sharing with you. The Mole Agent is a film that started as a private detective film, and making that research, we find this amazing character Romulo that he usually trained Mole's agent, and he has a case in a retirement home. But we never thought that we are going to have really this story, and as you're going to see, Sergio, the main character, arrives as a gift that we were not expecting, and he changed completely the road of my idea, of my first idea. He was probably the worst spy in the world, but for me, he's the most charming person in the world. So he changed the film, he changed our life and the life that the people that live there. So I hope that you enjoy and love him as we do. Thank you.